Torque rod family of products is known by several names depending on how they are used in the field. These include radius rods, control arms, panhard rods, and suspension links. Their frames can be adjustable, crimped, or friction welded. They are used on commercial vehicle chassis, and their purpose is to connect the vehicle's axles to the frame. Torque rods are made on the Dunkus presses in the Dunkus area in the rubber metal value stream. Before work begins, the work order packet is reviewed. It contains the part number, the quantity, and the due dates, as well as the technical drawing, inspection records, and packing specs. The assembly press is set up according to the yellow changeover manual found in the area kiosk. Frames are prepared by stamping the part ID and orientation arrows as directed on the print. Actual manufacturing of torque rods begins by placing the frame into the press's fixture. Before the straddle ball components are used, the print is consulted to determine whether or not lube is required. If it is required, the lube station is set up and lube is applied after the straddle ball pins have been checked for proper hole spacing and diameter. After confirming a good straddle ball pin, the straddle ball is placed into the frame. Next, the spacer ring and circlip specified on the work order bill of materials are installed using the assembly cone. Be sure to orient the opening of the circlip 45 degrees in relation to that of the tube or rod. If a spacer ring is required, orient its opening opposite to that of the circlip. The press is activated by depressing the palm buttons as shown. An audible click is heard when the circlip seats into the ring groove. The circlip seating is confirmed by measuring the distance between the holes using the circlip gauge. The circlip is marked, indicating it has passed inspection. If the circlip doesn't seat properly, follow the rework instructions for proper removal and replacing of the circlip. The frame is then flipped end for end and the steps are repeated. Check the straddle ball hole for spacing and diameter. Apply lube if specified. Insert the bushing into the frame. Install the spacer ring if required and the circlip. Activate the press. Listen for the click. Check the circlip seating with the gauge. Measure and record inspections of the principal characteristics at the intervals specified on the inspection record using the gauges listed on the proof plan. After the torque rod is complete and it has passed the required inspections, the torque rod is placed into the container for shipment to the customer.